How to report someone on UpScrolled. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If someone is behaving inappropriately, posting harmful content, or making your experience uncomfortable on UpScrolled, then it allows you to report them quickly and safely. So let's go ahead and learn how. First things first, open your UpScrolled application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page of UpScrolled, go ahead and tap on the person's profile or their name you want to report. You can also tap on the search icon at the bottom and in the search bar at the top type in the name of the person. After finding their profile, click the three dots right next to their mail icon at the top right and then click on report in the pop-up at the bottom. Now select a reason why you are reporting the person. Make a choice from the menu that appears on the screen and then click on Done after you are done with the report. Some versions allow an optional note. You can explain briefly what happened, why you are reporting, or any details that help. Keep it simple and clear. Once you are done sending the report, now your space stays safe, respectful, and positive. UpScrolled team will review the case privately and take necessary actions. So that is how you can easily report someone on UpScrolled. But be sure that the person that you've reported really did something wrong to you or inappropriate, and then only decide to report them. Don't go around reporting anyone without any specific reason. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.